As the morning swiftly approaches, this rare specimen emerges from its cave at the San Diego Zoo. Today, we will look into the extraordinary life of a ferocious Honas. After waking, its first instinct is to hunt. It carefully conceals itself and silently approaches its target. Nike Air Jordans provide silent steps. Attack! It appears the predator has become the prey. Running is the only option. A cool drink of water to cool the nerves. Time to try again. The wild teacher, the arch enemy of Honas. Best to flee. Another drink of water. Loping on an empty stomach, he sits down and does his taxes. After a long day, he passes out on the floor. The morning, clear and bright, his keepers tell him that he will be set free. Freedom at last. At least he's in a better place. Poaching is a worldwide problem that kills thousands of innocent lives each year. Visit ccbcstudios.com to learn how you can fight against poaching.